So I've been into the IT industry for like about 15 years now, and I run a company, Tecvolo Labs, which is an IT services company. We founded it in 2016. So this is a stage where we are doing good, but now we want to scale our company, and we are also looking at geographical expansion. And with this, I realized that there are still few gaps which we should be able to address with more knowledge and more kind of peer learning also that happens here with the excellent cohort that ISB has here. Our cohort members come from retail, defense, manufacturing, finance, and of course IT. And we have like a bunch of entrepreneurs also in our course. And which is itself the driving factor, and the reason why I've chosen ISB PGP MAX over all other courses. It has really made me into a person where I am able to reinvent myself more and more. So with every term, there is some or the other learning that's not only professionally implemented for me, but also has a personal dimension to it. I believe in continuous learning. So this really helped me in actually analyzing what our competitors are doing and how we should be positioning ourselves in the market. So right from the market evaluation to competitor analysis, and then deciding the positioning into different segments that we should be targeting and making a part of our GTM, the go-to-market strategy. One of the most important things that I would take further after this course, or I have already started implementing, is being a full leader. Should be first focusing on ourselves and our inside and outside, both how we are as a person. That is going to drive all our leadership decisions as well. So this is what has pivoted me into a new leadership discipline now.